On today's video, I'm going to show you how to install your ink cartridges into this Canon printer. The model of this Canon printer is the Pixma MG2522. This printer is around $44 new. You can find them at Walmart.com and other places like that. But sometimes you can even find them in store at Walmart. So under $50, good little printer. Let's install some ink. So what we're going to do is go ahead and open our ink up. And if you are not certain how to do this, you can do it by looking at your instruction manual if this video gets a little confusing, but I'm going to try to keep it as simple as I can. So on the inside of your printer, this will tell you which ink cartridges go where. That is a close-up of it. So go ahead and take the strip out of your ink cartridge and put it in to the correct place. Just goes in and it should snap, just like so. Do the same thing to your other cartridge. And make sure I press up, because if you watch, this is take them out. To lock them in place, press up on them. Just like so. This little lid here flips straight up. There will be a little bracket when you first do this, and this is to hold the bracket steady during shipment. You will want to remove this completely out of your printer when you do this for the first time. Then you can pretty much turn your printer on for the very first time if you're doing this for the first time and let it get everything situated, or as more people call it, calibrations done. And once it does that, you should be ready to print. So it's that simple. Hopefully you find this video helpful. If you did, be sure to drop a like, leave a comment, and hit that subscribe button. I got some printing to do. Thanks for watching.